Okay guys, we're going to do a quick video on how to add a listing. So from the dashboard, you click on CoreLogic, as you know, get into the MLS, wait for it to load up. Come on, there we go. Alright, we're in the MLS now. Now we're going to add a for lease listing. So somebody has given, you've got a listing from someone and you now need to add it into the MLS. So where do you start? Firstly, come down here. You see these things here, and it says Miami-Dade County Tax. Click on that. What we need to do is we need to get the folio number, and the folio number we have to put in to get the listing. It'll bring you to this page. Put the address in. Click drive, and then put the suite, whatever the address is. Click search. Okay, that's brought up this property, which is my apartment. You see this thing on the, you guys can see the mouse, okay? Right on the top here is the folio number, right? That's the number we need for the listing. So copy that number. Then go back to matrix, and up here on the top third from right, you see add edit. Click add edit. Over here on the left, click, it's self-explanatory obviously, but just click add new. Whatever it is, this one here is a residential rental. Click residential rental here. Okay, that'll bring you to this page, and this is where you need to put the folio in. So first thing, click on the tax county, Miami-Dade, on the left. Then paste your folio in the PID thing on top, and click search. It's now taken us to, it's taken the tax number, it's found the property, and it's now ready to be uploaded into the MLS. On the left here, click fill. Now it'll take you to, this is the landing page. First thing is rules and notices that you need to agree with. So let's just say yes over here. Then go fair housing notice. You need to agree with this. Go yes over here. Then click on the next one, which is status. Now as you've clicked on status, you can see it's taken you to this page, and all of these tabs here are different bits of information that you need to fill in to complete the listing. So let's go to location information. It's the first one. There is a whole bunch of information that you need to fill in. You can't make a mistake on this because it won't let you proceed to the next one. It'll show you where the error is. So the only thing that's confusing here that you need to understand, and I don't know why it doesn't auto-populate, but area over here on the top right, okay, area is the second number in the folio. So here's our folio number. See, the second number is 32. For area, put 32, right, over there. And then municipal code is the first number. So 02 is the municipal code. So click on 02. That's the only thing that's confusing when it comes to doing this thing. It should auto-populate. I don't know why it doesn't. So basically you go through all of these tabs, filling it in, and where there's yellow, it needs to be filled in. You get to remarks. I just want to explain something to you here. The first set of remarks where you've got 800 characters is agent to agent remarks. This goes into the MLS, and you detail instructions to the other agents, and you put in relevant information to the other agents. Then over here you have internet remarks. You've only got 150 characters here. This is the remarks that go on the internet when it gets pulled through to Zillow, Realtor.com, general IDX websites. So one mistake we've made here recently is you can't put your personal phone number in here or your details. You'll get flagged, and if you get flagged, you'll be given 2 days to correct it, or there'll be a fine. So just bear in mind, internet remarks are what you want the public to see. The top remarks are the agent to agent remarks. Now, just to give you a quick trick, if you see on the bottom of the screen here, it says validate. Click on validate, and you'll see all of these have red things that shows that information is incomplete, and it shows you where you need to correct it. So let's go to location information, type of property. Okay, it's a condo, etc., etc. I'm not going to fill it all in because there's too much. The video will take too long. But once you've filled in everything, you click validate, and if it's complete, you see here location information doesn't have a red tab anymore. It means this tab is complete and ready to input or to submit. Then you go to general information, you click on all of this, and so you go validate each one. Now the final thing is when you get to the end, you cannot submit the listing. The office or the brokerage house has to submit the listing. Okay, you won't be allowed to submit the listing. So what you need to do is when you've got to the end and you've filled everything in and there's no more red dots here, you need to save it as incomplete. Save as incomplete here. Okay, as you save as incomplete, it will then go to a log on our broker portal, and we will just double check it quickly to make sure there's no obvious errors, and we will make it active, and it will appear on the MLS. So that is the process. This has just been a quick little video, but it should help you get started. The only tricky bit is the where to find the folio number and how to input the folio number where it doesn't auto-populate. Yeah, so hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.